Today I will guide you through the simple steps to download and install Zoom for free. Zoom, as you all know, has become an essential tool for communication, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Even now it is widely used for official meetings, online classes, virtual gatherings and much more. By watching this video till end, you will have Zoom installed and ready to use on your computer. So stay tuned and follow along. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Visit zoom.us in any web browser. Go to products, this meetings. You need to click here. It will open a new tab. Here you will find the download option. By the way, I have given this link in the description of this video. If you click at that link, you will directly land here. After clicking at download, it will automatically detect your system and it will give you the relevant app. Hit at download. Zoom setup has started to download. So here's the file that we just downloaded. Double click on it and the Zoom installer will begin. So it has automatically installed Zoom Workplace in your computers. Now if you have any meeting ID, then join the meeting. Otherwise sign up or sign in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. I have successfully signed in, so here is the Zoom. By the way, now its name has changed to Zoom Workplace. It was simply Zoom before that. There you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your computer. Now you are ready to connect with colleagues, attend virtual classes or conferences, or catch up with friends and family from the comfort of your home. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.